What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. We're going to go over Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.037, down 3.4 on the day. Seeing market cap 1.18 billion, 24 volume 107 million. So we had a big dump. On Friday, the alts bled hard, so we have to obviously change up the wave count. So I'm still looking at leading diagonal off the, grab my brush. Off the bear market low, 0.01243. Pushed up in a wave 1, pulled back in a 2, 3, A, B, C. Now we're going through the 4, 1, 2, 3. Consolidated for the 4, and then come down into a 5. So if we break that low, any break below that wick low at 0.0338 can put in the wave 5. Now we may not come all the way down to the technical target. We may just break below that wick before bouncing to the upside. If I show you guys this chart here, you can see that wick is at 0.0338, and we do have some support here coming in at about 0.0312. So that could offer a bounce. Just break below that wick and then bounce back to the upside, and we may not reach the technical target, which is all the way down at 0.02515. But of course, anything can happen. But I wouldn't be surprised just to see a little bit of break below that wick to the low 3-cent range before bouncing to the upside. Basically, what we're doing is we're trading sideways, which we do after every halving. We usually see a 90-day period where we trade sideways and we shake everybody out. People are getting frustrated. They're getting tired of waiting. They see a dump. They sell their bags. They say the bull run is over, and the smart money takes advantage because all the dumb money trips balls and sells everything, and then the market turns around and goes back to the upside. So I do think we'll just break below the wick to the low 3-cent range, bounce back to the upside, and see continuation. Beautiful buying opportunity if you have the kahunas, if you have the balls. It's a beautiful time to be getting into your positions. I've been loading up on AI. Coins like Ajax and Sleeper Pick Palm AI I've been putting some money into. So getting ready for continuation back to the upside. All right, gang, my trade signals are free. You can gain access with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN. If you sign up through my link, top of the comments, you get 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Here's my Forex. Did really good last week. Unfortunately, with that dump with crypto, lost my 2 crypto trades I took that week, but every other week for the last 4 weeks straight were win, 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 which is really nice. Where's the weekly? Let me post the weekly results. So trade crypto, trade Forex, all in one place. Here's the monthly results for Forex and the monthly results for crypto for May. Sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. If you don't want to take that route, you can sign up through the Patreon for $10 a month. All links down below. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.